Hello students, in this session we will see the dispersion of light through a prism. We have already seen whenever light falls on the prism that goes through the two refraction and two surfaces. Okay, here we will see the dispersion of light by a glass lens. First of all, we need to know that what is the dispersion of light. Okay, dispersion means splitting of light. मतलब लाइट का फैल जाना, it is known as the dispersion of light. In this case we are using the white light. Now the white light can be obtained by sun. The light of sun is also a white light, and the electric bulb we are using in our home, it is also a white light. Okay, here we will see that what happens when the light ray travels through a glass film. Okay students, so here we will take a sheet with a pinhole, that a white light is coming from this pinhole through a small narrow beam. It will be a small narrow beam. When this light ray strikes on the one face of the glass prism, what will happen in this case? It will refract at this point. Okay, it will split up into different colors. Okay, and that different colors can be obtained on this white screen. Okay students, that 7 colors can be obtained on the white screen, and the famous acronym we also know that is Vipure, and we know the name of all the color: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So on the lower side here will be violet color, and on the upper side here will be red color. So it is what Vipure. So whenever a white light falls on a prism, it splits up into 7 colors. It is known as the dispersion of white light through a glass prism. Now the question is, why the violet color is in the down side and why the red color is in the upper side? Why it is happening? Why red color is not in the down side and violet color is not in the upper side? Or we can also see that the angle of deviation by the violet color, it is the angle of deviation of the violet color is much more as compared to red color. When we take the red color here, the angle of red color, that is angle of deviation, is less. Now why it is happening? What happening in this case? Okay students, so let us see what is the cause that light is traveling through a prism, but the formation of color on this side are different. Why violet is in the down side and why red color is in the upper side? Okay students, now the cause can be understood by the two different things. Number one, the frequency and wavelength. Now students, we can see that if any color has a higher frequency, okay, then the wavelength of that particular color will be lower. Okay, and if any color has the lower frequency, then that color will have the higher wavelength. Okay student, so these are the cases. Now in this case we can see that the red color will have the higher wavelength, but the violet color has the lower wavelength. Okay student, if violet color has lower wavelength, then definitely frequency of the violet color will be higher, and if the red color has higher wavelength, then frequency of the red color will be lower students. Okay, we have already seen that in the previous class of 9 that there are wavelength and frequencies we have read. The similar terms we also use here. Frequency is what? The number of oscillations of particle made in 1 second, and wavelength is what? It is generally the distance between two crest and trough. Okay students, so here it is also the same thing. Now what is happening here, actually the light has the same speed in vacuum. Actually the light has the same speed in vacuum, but whenever it goes through any material, the light speed changes itself. Okay, because it is not in vacuum, it is going through certain medium, so definitely it will affect the speed of light. Okay student, now in this case whenever white light is coming through a prism, it is splitting up into 7 color due to the variation in speed of light of every color. Okay student, so it is happening due to the variation in speed of light here. Now the second case is, students, we can see that if the frequency is higher then wavelength is lower, and if the frequency is lower then wavelength is higher. Okay students, here we can also conclude that by this, that the velocity or the speed of violet color, okay students, speed of violet color will be lower inside prism, and speed of red color will be higher inside prism. Now what is the meaning of this? We can see from here that the speed of violet color is lower inside the prism and speed of red color is higher inside the prism. Now what we can conclude from this? We already know that the refractive index, that is Ri, which is denoted by n, is given by the speed of light upon speed of light in air upon speed of light in the material. So we are taking the speed of light in the material by v. Now students, if we see the speed of violet color inside the prism, it is lower. If we put here the lower value, okay, if we put here the lower value, because the speed of light in air is always fixed, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, but the speed of light inside the prism is lower. If we are putting here the lower value, then definitely the refractive index will be higher, and if we are putting here the higher value, that is refractive index for red color. Okay students, so in this case what will happen, here we are putting the lower value, so the result will be higher. Suppose here if we put here 5, definitely result will be higher. But in the next case, if the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, okay, and the speed of red color is higher inside the prism, if it is higher, then definitely we will get here the lower value. Okay, so we can see from here that refractive index of the violet color inside the prism is higher and the red color is the lower. We can write down that the refractive index of violet color is greater than the refractive index of red color. Now what is the meaning of this equation? We can see that if the refractive index is higher, it will deviate at higher angle, deviate at bigger angle. If the refractive index is lower, it will deviate at lower angle. Okay, so we can see here clearly that if the refractive index of a certain light inside the prism is higher, it will cover a higher angle, and if the refractive index of a light inside the prism is lower, it will cover the lower angle, that is angle of deviation. That is why the violet color has the higher deviation amount and the red color has the lower deviation amount, which is happening here. So we can see that whenever a white light comes from a sheet with a pinhole, it splits up into 7 colors. It is known as the dispersion of light. But why it is happening that violet color is at the lower side and red color is at the upper side? Because violet color has the higher refractive index. You can see from here that violet color has the higher refractive index. So that is why it will cover it will cover a higher angle, and the red color has a lower refractive index. So it will cover a lower deviated angle. Okay, we already know that it is known as the angle of deviation. So we can see that the angle of deviation for violet color will be higher due to the increased refractive index, but the angle of deviation for red color will be lower due to the decreased refractive index. Okay, student. Now the one question will come in mind that how we can calculate the speed of light. Speed of light is same in all the material, is everywhere, but not like that. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 to 10 to the power 8 meter per second, but in any other material it will change itself. But the different colors have different light inside the prism. Okay, so the violet color has the higher value of speed, and the violet color has the lower value of speed, and the red color of the light will have higher value of speed inside the prism, which in result make the different angle. If lower the speed of color inside the prism, then the angle of deviation will be higher, and if the speed of light inside the prism is higher, then angle of deviation will be lower. It will increase in this order, that is Vidyot. In this order it will increase, that the speed of light is increasing continuously for every color. But in the respect of this, that the refractive index will definitely start decreasing in this order. You can understand it through this portion.